What's up guys, today I'm gonna show you how to sync audio in Final Cut Pro. Often you film with a camera and then record the audio with a microphone and you want to sync them together. As I have right now, as you can see, I have a Final Cut Pro project with a video and a separate audio, but I don't wanna align them manually. As you can imagine, it's gonna take a lot of time. So the audio is really not aligned, but gladly Final Cut Pro is really smart and it can do it automatically for you. So the way to do this is you don't do it via here. You come to here, you select the audio, and then you select the video. So I'm just gonna hold the command key and then click on the video. I'm holding the command key because I'm on the Mac. Of course, it's a Mac program. So when you have selected both, you go to clip and then you just click on synchronize clips. And so it's gonna synchronize it and then it's gonna give it a new name, which is synced clip full video audio. You can name it obviously whatever you want. You can place it in any event. So use audio for synchronization, yes. So it's gonna use the audio file as the main audio. Just gonna click on OK. And now it's gonna do the smart work. And this is AI, so it's gonna recognize the right patterns in both audio file, in the audio in the video and in the audio file, and then it's gonna sync them together. So this is the new sync clip. As you can see, it's created very fast. So I'm just gonna, let's say, delete this video, and then I'm gonna drag and drop the sync clip to my main storyline. And I'm gonna give it some time because I'm running too many programs on my Mac. Okay, so let's play it. So it's actually very straightforward. So you have opened Final Cut Pro. Here you go to the file. Hover on library. Well, all right. So as you saw in the clip, it has synced very nicely. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. My name is Mohammed. If you have any comments, leave them in the comment section below. And if you would like to know how to optimize your audio for YouTube especially, just check out this other video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.